and a circle. So now we're just putting both hands together and making 2 circles, still holding that core nice and tight. Alright, let's start with a deep breath in and out. And again, in and out. Also out to the sides and drift back down. Deep breath in and out. In and out. And this time, bend at the elbows, gather in, and press down for sinking the chi. Deep breath in, and out. In, and out. And if you're not already there, take one foot, step it out, about shoulder width, and it doesn't matter which foot, and sink the chi. Deep breath in and out. One hand on your abdomen, tighten that core, and take the other hand and just make a circle in front of your body. Take that deep breath in and out. And as you're making that circle, you turn with your core and with your hip. Powered by your legs. So this is not an arm motion. This is a motion powered by the whole body, starting in the legs, the core, turning at the hips. Deep breath in and out. In and out. Deep breath in and out. And now, switch your hands. Put this hand on your abdomen and take this hand and make the circle. Circle, circle. Deep breath in and out. In and out. And again, turning at the hips, starting in the legs. It's like on Karate Kid, Miyagi says, drive a punch, Daniel-san. Hip, leg, drive a punch. And that's how it is. It comes from your legs, through your hips. Even when you're going slow and gentle. Deep breath in and out. In and out. And now we'll put both hands together, make a circle and a circle. So now we're just putting both hands together and making two circles, still holding that core nice and tight, still turning at the hips. Deep breath in and out. In and out. Make sure your shoulders are nice and relaxed. Deep breath in and out. Still holding that core tight. Now this hand will push down, and this hand will push out in front of us. This top hand falls, the bottom hand rises, turning at the waist. Make those circles again. Push down with this hand, out with this hand. And again, taking that deep breath in and out. In and out. Deep breath in and out. And this foot and step forward, or brush knee and push. Top hand falls, this bottom hand rises, turning at the hips, brush knee and push. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. And now we're going to rock back on this heel. We're going to turn our toe out just a little bit. We're going to lean forward, step, brush this knee down, and press out with this hand. This hand, the top hand falls, the bottom hand rises. Brush knee and push. Deep breath in and out. In and out. Top hand falls, bottom hand rises. Brush knee and push. Now rock back on the heel. Turn that toe out just a little bit. Step forward. Brush knee and push. Deep breath in and out. Now take this front leg, take a step back, reach out to the side with this hand, turn your hips. So it kind of looks like I'm reaching behind me, but I'm just reaching to the side and turning my hips. Bend at the elbow and push out in front. Step back and the same thing on the other side. And now we're going to lift this foot and brush knee and push. Rock back on that heel. Turn the toe out just a little. Step forward. Brush knee and push. Rock back on the heel. Turn the toe out just a little. And brush knee and push. And now step back. And this is repulse monkey. Reaching out to the side. Bend at the elbow. Push out. Step back. And the same thing. And brush knee and push to come back forward. Rocking back on that heel. Turn the toe out just a little. Brush knee and push. Deep breath in and out. In and out. Repulse monkey. Brush knee and push. Take that step forward. And step center. Sink the chi.